Okay, we're back at Competition Engines, and today we have a new product release. We have a product that mounts your shaker to your bonnet. So if a guy's got a high manifold or a supercharger, like in this case, and you can't mount the original shaker to the carburetor, we have an option. So this kit that we've produced comes with this shaker plate, we call it. If you have original shaker, you can use your factory rubber and shaker lid. We are providing the mounting kit with all the mounting hardware. I think it's a great look. So, in this case, we have a Harrop supercharger. Obviously, know where to mount a standard shaker. That's why this customer's purchased our kit and we've mounted it. If you have a big intake manifold, carby spacer plate, you cannot run the original shaker. When you close the bonnet, it looks exactly the same. We have made this kit specific, so the shaker pops out of the bonnet to look original. And, we can sell you the rubber, we can sell you the shaker top, but if you have a shaker, you just need to purchase our mounting kit. It comes with the hardware, instructions, the whole lot. So we'll go over to the bench and I'll show you what you get. Okay, so now we can talk about what you receive in the kits. So we've seen the car, we've seen how it looks. What you receive in the kit is what you see here. So all the bolts, all the hardware, the plate itself that's been folded, laser cut, folded and powder coated, ready to go. You will receive specific instructions and diagrams that will tell you everything about the kit and where the specific bolts go, which is great. There'll be links, there'll be a YouTube video showing how to fit it. There'll be links to the website for pricing and so on and so on. So once we post this video, you'll be able to see everything. So this is what you get. Now, the shaker rubber, and the shaker trim or the ring, potentially you might already have. It doesn't come part of the kit. So this is the unique bit of the kit. This is our part number. We can sell you the shaker top. We can sell you the rubber. We can sell you the shaker ring. We could sell you the template to cut the shaker hole into your flat bonnet if you don't have a shaker hole. So this item, the shaker, the rubber, and the hose that drains, you can buy anywhere Australia-wide. This is the unique kit. You can buy this off us or the whole kit complete. So visit our YouTube channel, follow the links. Thank you.